Hello everyone, this side Kunal, and in this video going to teach you how to enable the OTG mode on Android. Because when you have enabled the OTG mode, you could able to access the files of pen drive or any external device that you are going to connect to your smartphone using the OTG. But before everything you have to enable it. So let's see how to do it. Do is definitely get onto the Google Chrome. Get onto the Chrome and search for the Samsung or any device model you have and type OTG support and know whether your phone supports OTG or not. So let's just see this. So as you can see, we got the answer. Here's the Samsung M33 5G supports the USB OTG. Now after doing this, like if you have a Samsung phone like me or whether you have any other smartphone, there would be option to OTG in this setting, or simply get into the mobile phone settings here. On the most of the smartphones, you wouldn't find any setting in the OTG because it's automatically enabled. So whenever you input any kind of pen drive OTG, it will automatically detect. If it didn't detect, that means either your device is not supported or you haven't enabled the USB debugging from your mobile phone settings. So you can get into the developer option and enable the USB debugging option. Firstly, let's start with the basic and the easiest way to do it. So first of all, get into the quick access panel. Here you have to edit it. In some smartphones, you would find three dot to edit it. As you can see, I am here in the quick panel thing. Now you have to find out OTG from this space. So as you can see, I have got the OTG option here. I would just drag and drop into this menu and I would just come back into the main menu. So as you can see, I have got the OTG mode. When you tap on it, the OTG mode is enabled. Now you would able to use your pen drive as any external device on your smartphone. But let's see how to do it from mobile settings. It's quite easy actually, but if you haven't liked the video, do it sir, please. Here you have to scroll down and get into the additional settings, or in some smartphones, you could just search the OTG here. So as you can see, here is the OTG connection settings, but if you want to get into it, so you can just scroll down into the settings and get into the additional settings option. Here you would find the OTG connection, which says automatically turn off when not in use for 10 minutes. But when you enable it, it just starts supplying the power to the micro USB or the type C port. So you would able to use your pen drive as an external device or anything just by using an OTG, which is something like this, or any kind of OTG. I hope you found the video useful. If does, then make sure you hit the like button and subscribe to our channel to let other users know that this content is really helpful. Bye.